Right, well, good afternoon, happy people. Back on the road, back on tour. There's 4 of us on this one that I'm going to call the Northumberland tour, because we're going to be doing a lot of the Northumberland national parks. I've not filmed up to where we are now because it's not part of the tour and you don't want to see us coming from home. But we have come the scenic route and it's going to be about 163 miles when we get to the campsite. But we're now 4.5 miles away from it, so I thought I'd just pop the cameras on just to show you us entering where we're going to be staying. And that place is Cresswell, and the actual Park Dean place that we're going to be staying at is Cresswell Towers. Like I say, it's a Park Dean one. Another 8-berth caravan, which we like because it's kind of luxury for 4 of us. And the 4 of us being myself, Muzzy, Russ and John. They're the 4 on tour this year. Got plenty of routes planned, so stay tuned for the full series. I tell you, there's going to be some nice roads and some nice scenery to watch. 21.5 degrees at the minute, and it's been in the 20s all the way up today. The actual campsite, the resort's sort of right on the coast as well. I think we're about a couple of 100 yards away from the beach. The drone is having a ride with me once again, so hopefully you'll be able to see a bit of drone footage throughout this series. I've planned a couple of stops that I know about, and obviously there might be some opportunist ones who can just stop and fly it. John's also brought his drone as well, so we're going to have a choice of 2 footages. John's got the small one, the DJI Mini 2, I believe, actually. I hope that we're going right. The sat-nav seems to be taking me down a road that doesn't look familiar. A bit rural here. Still, it's sat-nav saying that we're only 1.6 miles away from camp now, so... Yeah, John's just said keep your eye out for some pubs. Good call, John. Oh, we are on the right track, because when I dropped myself down on the Google Earth, I saw that Premier shop. That's about the nearest shop, I think. Small shop to us. And there's a sign up there that says Cresswell, so happy days. Successfully negotiated 163 miles. A long-range forecast for us guys is it says that we'll get scattered showers now and again, but mainly warm in the 20s. So let's pray that it stays dry for us. We have plenty of stops coming up here. We've been no rush. We set off at 11 o'clock this morning. It's now 5:15, and there's a sign here that says Cresswell. Happy days. And I can see the sea from here. Here we are, Cresswell Towers. We're home for the next week. Yeah.
You was 99.5% accurate on your navigation. You kept up that lead.
I didn't cock up there. It said go that way, and then I said to you it's sending us 2 directions after that.
Did you check that? Was it a dodgy point where you dropped there or something?
No, I checked them all, John, thoroughly. But I did make all the routes in 2023 maps and then update it to 24. So maybe that's balls that bit up.
It had altered slightly.
Yeah.
Go see where we are.
That's a hell of a deck chair, mate.
Get your email address now. Yeah, what's the name, please? Musgrave. Right, what's your email address?
John, turn your camera off. All I know is you.
P-H-I-L.
I heard the bikes coming in.
We're all friendly.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Oh, good.
That's your key there, and there's all the information you need for the site, passes to get into the hub and activities and stuff. Just don't lose them there. Thank you. And you are going to be doing number 56, which is here somewhere there.
Will there be parking for 4 bikes, do you think?
Not next to the van.
What?
Next to the van, unfortunately. It's a communal parking area.
Where do we park the bikes then?
Go straight up the road here, all right, as far as you can. It's a one-way system all the way around, and there's a big car park here, so you can park your bikes there and then just walk up to the van.
Right.
The nearest parking we had the van.
Right.
To use your legs instead of the 2 wheels.
Oh, we don't like doing that. Lummy neck. So,
Nice plan, have you gone anywhere nice?
we're staying here for the week, and then we're just going to tour all around the Northumberland National Park. We're going like west, north, south. Obviously, you can't go east, can you? Must be in Water.
We've been about that.
So,
Oh, really?
Have you?
Oh, yeah, I came out 4 or 5 years ago in the car with the wife, so it's not the
This will
same.
be different. Different again. You'll have to at home this time.
thank you very much.
Have a lovely time. Anyway.
Thank you. Can't park next to the van.
Can't you?
No, got to park in the car park and then walk. That's our van, but it's got a little circle round it.
Car park.
There.
Oh, not that.
No, it's only just...
Oh no, it's...
I'm not bothered.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I haven't brought my disc locker out though.
It'll be hard, I am.
I've got a disc lock and
Forever.
a...
Well, nobody's going to nick yours, are they? I'm just worried about these expensive bikes.
At least it'll be hard standing.
Yeah, on the car park it will, yeah.
That's if there's any park.
Can't go wrong, it's up there.
We can go wrong, trust me.
First right,
Follow it all the way around.
then right round again, and then right round again.
So, we just want to go round and round and round.
It's one way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shows that on my route map.
Sorted. And welcome to the entertainment complex. So, there's a park for Muzzy, happy days. Straight to the end. God, it's a massive site. Down here then, and hopefully right again, and there should be a car park for us. Always like to show you who's arriving, guys, so you can get a feel of where we are. I believe if I go right here, I think that's the car park. It is.
You put the coat on out,
Yeah, I'm same, mate.
keys in my pocket and my helmet.
What number was we? 56? It's only just over there. Yeah. Is this ours?
Summer breeze. Yeah, 56. Summer breeze, look, I didn't use him one way.
Summer breeze with it. Say, summer breeze deluxe, Muzz. It's a shame we can't get close, isn't it?
Yeah, there won't want me parking on these roads.
You see, we could park on grass, couldn't we? Get pucks and that.
You walk to the Huntington.
Right, this is all my bedroom, so you're not allowed. You're allowed in this area, it's fine.
That's your bedroom, yeah.
This is pretty good, isn't it?
Very nice, isn't it? I'll just put my jacket in your bedroom just for a minute, John. I will remove it. Which room are we having, Russ? I think they'll be the same as normal, just exactly the same.
Which one do you want? You bothered?
Well, you normally go in that one, don't you?
Okay.
I say normally, I mean... pissy little things,
You
aren't they?
can't put them together.
You can, just move that
Oh, do you?
Can do.
if you want.
Yeah, that'll move that one that side so you can get down here, won't you? Oh, it's too tight.
That's handy for me in the night.
And that one's handy for me.
That is handy for me.
So you won't be affecting me getting up.
My little girly bladder. I might keep in there.
Where's the shower then?
And an 8-burn.
Why, is it supposed to be a shower?
There will be in that next one. It's usually toilet shower.
Oh, right, there you look.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, walking, nice walking.
Still filming.
I know, well I always like to do it just so people can see where we're staying.
Well,
Hey, happy Muzz?
Yeah, it's not as big as some of that, but
No, it isn't, is it actually?
it's not. It's quite tiny.
It is.
Yeah. I'll manage.
Why are you filming now?
I'd just like to just show everybody where we're staying and that. Is there anything you'd like to comment, Russ? Like?
It's dumb.
There's your wardrobe, John.
Yeah.
Right, I think I can stop filming now. Everybody's had a bit of a look, haven't they? Happy days. I think we'll manage here.